Hello everyone. Let's practice to read CVCe words, also called as magic E words. Magic E is a word that ends with a vowel, consonant and E, where the letter E gives all its power to the vowel, making it a long sound, and the letter E remains silent. Let's read CVCe words with A as vowel. Bake, cage, fame, maid, race, lane, sail, tape, name, wave, take, rake, cake, tail, same, cave, game, save, cape, face, rare, rate, lace, cane, give, case, came, wake, late, make, fake, lake, gate, mail, page, mate, wade, pain, base. Thanks for watching and please subscribe to my channel because learning never ends. Bye.